Day 8 has a mysterious heart. What could it be? I actually just think it's like the design on the box or something. It's fine. Hi everyone, welcome to Toys Unlocked, Day 8, LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, where a heart is just a heart, but that's okay. We are still excited. Let's take a look inside. We want to know. We want to see that little duck. Oh my gosh. He's so tiny. He's so itty bitty. And he has a hammer? Oh, you know what? We're going to use the hammer to build him. That makes more sense. Let's do it. All right, it is snowing at my house and I am in a festive mood, and I think it's really fitting that we get to build today. We're building a Lego set and we're pretending that we are a member of the Elf Society at the North Pole, and we get to build a toy today, and it's a duck. Oh my gosh. I have not had a rubber duck in my personal collection before. I don't have a lot of these little tiny animal characters, but I kind of love them. Sort of obsessed. Okay, we're building a purple and green table. It's kind of hurting my eyes with how bright it is, but I also think it's really festive, and therefore I kind of adore it. And that's our table. Pretty good. And I think we're going to turn this rubber duck into like a rolling rubber duck using a little roller skate. Oh my gosh, have you ever seen anything so itty bitty in your entire life? I have, I'm sure, but I can't think of anything. All I can think of is how adorable this is going to be, rolling down the road with a rubber duck. Let's get it on there. And I can stop singing to you guys. Oh, I am speechless. I can't believe how cute this is and why I'm so obsessed with it. It's really fun to pretend to be part of the whole elven thing, and Holly is here to give us some quality control. As you know, he's in charge. He can tell me if I've done a good job building. What do you think, Holly? I think I did pretty well. I hardly fumbled any pieces today, and this is just, it's too cute. I want to play with this, and I am a grown woman. So there you go. All right, so that was day 8 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and I hope we have more fun tiny builds like this tomorrow. I will see you all then for day 9. Bye, everyone.